Minista wa UGITIRI wa THIINI PROF KITHURE Kindiki ni amukirite ngari cia mwanya cia UGITIRI na iria ni cia gikiro kia iguru iria maabitha a UGITIRI marihuthagira riria mari mihango-ini ya kugacirithia UGITIRI. Kindiki augite riri ni ikinya rikuhura NJEKI MBAARA ya kuhitana na ITOI na ciiko cia uhaguku wa UGITIRI iria ikoretwo kwa ihinda igumeire icigo itiganite cia bururi na muno makeria mwena wa Lamu na gicigo kia rugongo rwa bururi.
Of the communities that have suffered a big brunt from the activities of terrorist groups and bandits, I think today is a good day, and this is just an additional step on a very, very ambitious journey that we began last year. We are going to receive more of this equipment, as I have said. There is a schedule of receipts. We've placed enough orders, and we are actually in the short term also going to have a very active and revitalized air assets.
Na kuona mahinda kwa mahinda ona maabitha a UGITIRI ni makoretwo makigurario na gikoragwo ni ITOI, Kindiki augite uguri wa matharaita ma KIRIU ni undu guteithiriria hari kugitira na maabitha a borithi mari wira-ini wao.
Sisi tumeamrisha maafisa wetu wasikubali kuumizwa na jambazi, magaidi na wezi wa mifugo kama wako na uwezo wa kuwaumiza kabla wao waumie. We do not want to lose a single officer. These weapons are not decoration. These weapons are to protect, first of all, to protect you as an officer, a law enforcement officer, but also to protect the people of Kenya from dangerous criminals.
Ihinda-ini o riu Kindiki ni athite honge cia UGITIRI mwena wa gicua-ini guikia ngono nyanake iria ikoretwo ikiagithia thayo aikari a gicua-ini, guku akiuga mibango ya gutwara maabitha borithi bururi-ini wa Haiti guteithiriria kuiga thayo iri oho.
Administration is committed to securing our homeland. We want our country to be free and safe. We want every part of Kenya to feel that they're in a safe country. And the government will spend whatever amount of resources that is required to make sure we secure our homeland.
Kiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.